guys, today we're gonna get Angie, which slash Angler, and we're gonna get him. And his name is Angie. Yeah, like I said. His name is Angie. That's his name.
Currently play tracking. 2021 man. Dot 209. The yellow guy with AC glasses and a helmet.
Angie!
Alright guys, let's go get Angie! We got Angie! We're gonna go
Yo, what the Sigma?
Angie!
Yo, bro, I got Angie, but he's mad at me. Angie! Is it coming? Guys, let's go.
Come on, Angie! Don't kill Angie. He bit me. He bit me. In this code, nobody kills
Come on,
Angie.
Angler. Come on, Angler.
This is the code where nobody kills Angie. And no, I told everybody was. No one's bit me. Angie!
Go back, Angie. Hi, yeah, we got Angie.
Hi, Angie. Angie, let me brush your teeth. Where'd it go? No! Angie, let's feed Angie.
It's in daytime now.
Everyone, I'm gonna grab the cheese. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Turn off the light.
Angie, please. Angie, please. There's a light. A blue light. With the Sigma.
Angie, come here. Guys, I'm going to bring Angie to the nice stone.
Angie, come here.
Bring Angie to the nice stone.
Alright, let's bring Angie to the night station.
Bring Angie over here.
He's out fishing now.
Chill.
Wait, bring Angie to the water. Bring Angie to the water.
If this is the real.
Bring him to his home.
No! No! Guys, let's bring him back to the water where he belongs.
Yeah, put him back to the water.
Angie, come back to the water. He died by your trap. Guys, Angie's going in the water. We're saving. Guys, Angie's had a long day. We need her to...
Angie's just chilling in the water.
Angela, fish, so need water.
Angie's just chilling in the water. Who's trying to kill Angie? Angie,
How'd you die? How'd you die? Run!
come over here, Angie.
Angie's too old. Someone has to kill him.
Oh, dang it. Guys, sorry to do this, but it's just my Wi-Fi. Yep. The thing was just like changing the Wi-Fi. Yep. Oh. Alright, guys, where's Angie?
Is he alive?
No! Angie killed me. He's naughty. I'm gonna revive you.
2021 man dot 209.
Yes. Alright, ready? Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Angie. Mr. Angie. Mikey, get.
We broke Angie.
It's because of me. He got me or something.
You're
Alright,
not killing my Angie.
no, don't kill the Angie.
No, he's too old. I'm so sorry.
Kill him, Angie.
Don't kill him. Don't kill him. He's too old.
Kill him, Angie. Where'd he go?
He survived. Nobody killed him.
That's my boy, Angie. You killed him. Good boy.
I'm sorry.
That's my boy, Angie. That's my boy.
I said nobody kill Angie. I'm so sorry.
No one kill Angie. He's our only son.
I like Angie. Angie's been my best friend since he was puny.
Yeah, he grew up. Who has a mini broccoli bomb? Who has a mini broccoli bomb?
Don't kill Angie. I beg you.
No, don't kill Angie. Haha.
Don't hide.
No! Angie!
I'm sorry.
Let's put him in the RP box. In the RP box. Let's put him in the RP.
No, he wasn't. He was only 167. Date. Are you making fun of his age? Hell yeah. Oh, yeah, just say no. My friend is projecting now.
I'm recording you right now.
Oh, stupid. Okay, can you real quick? I'm about to say something very sad to you.
I'm recording. Don't say something.
My
Angie!
friend is barely play checking you.
Okay.
Oh, shoot.
Do it then. Look.
Yo, we got the player checkers.
Oh.
He asked me to check the leaderboard. Whoever's under here is blue. Nice water. Blue, you blue. Can you put this on my head?
Wait, what?
No, I'm gonna get play check because I'm
Gotcha,
Joa.
Okay, Okay,
Oh, no.
guys,